Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft using Tlauncher. First, you'll need to download the Tlauncher application from its official website. It's a straightforward process. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Minecraft, which typically include at least 4 GB of RAM. Also, ensure you have Java installed, as Tlauncher relies on it to run smoothly. This initial setup is crucial for a seamless gaming experience. Once downloaded, run the Tlauncher installer. It's a simple wizard that guides you through the steps. After installation, open Tlauncher. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can select your desired Minecraft version, from older releases to the latest snapshots. Next, enter a username. This is what other players will see if you join a server. Take a moment to choose a name you like. With your version selected and username entered, click the Install button. Tlauncher will then download all the necessary game files for that specific Minecraft version. This might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. Once the download is complete, the button will change to enter the game. Click it, and you'll be launched directly into the wonderful world of Minecraft, ready to explore and build. For a smoother experience, consider allocating more RAM to Minecraft through Tlauncher's settings, especially if you have 8 GB or more available. Regularly check for Tlauncher updates to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. If you encounter any issues, like crashes or loading problems, the official Tlauncher website often has a comprehensive FAQ or support section that can help you troubleshoot common problems effectively.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.